Hey everybody, this is Tech and Toys, and today I'm going to be unboxing something. So, wanted just to share a little something with you guys, and I got an SD card off of Amazon. I know it's kind of weird, but hey, at least it's something, and you guys would be expecting more videos with this, because more memory for me on my camera. So yeah, let's just get up. This is just something little small, but will. Here we go. So this is from SanDisk, this is the high endurance 128 gigabyte. This is micro SD, yes, so it will be faster than the original one. There we go. So if it can focus. See, focus. There we go. Right, so it's up to 10,000 hours of continuous video recording. It's the high endurance card. There was an extreme, but I was like, no, I'm gonna get the high endurance. This is micro SD XE, and it comes with the adapters for dash cameras, home security cameras, whatever. It comes in 4K UHD. It's full HD video, and it's 200 megabytes and 40 megabytes. It's up to speed and stuff like that. Here it is. I like it that the high endurance card, it has like that whitish, goldish type of color, silverish. The back, here it is, and yeah, so this is what I'm going to be using to be making videos. So gonna be expecting a lot of them. And they say scissors here. Let me see if I could just yep, you can just tear it right out. There we go. Don't really need scissors for this one. Alright, there's, we can just, probably not even going to return this because SD card mostly works all the time. Alright, there we go. Ruined the poor packaging already. We zoom in on this. So here we have it. We have the micro SD and the adapter focus. Nice. So let's go ahead and peel this off. Weirdly packaged this time. They usually come in a plastic type of, casing. Alright, so first, before they may know some event, let's pull out the adapter. Same as always, mostly. Works with SD, SDXE, and HC. Here it is. We'll pick it up. But yeah, has a lock switch on it. And then here we have the micro SD. If I can take out, oh, it's already out. Here we go. So, micro SD. Focus. Come on. Well, anyway, here it is. It's black, on the back. And yeah, and then what you do with the micro SD, just put it right in here, in the adapter. That's what the adapter's for. Looks nice. There we go. This is the unboxing of this SanDisk 128 gig. Just something little small. More videos for you guys. So yeah. Don't forget to subscribe to not miss any of the videos. Like this video if you liked it. Tell me down below if you're looking to find an SD card, or if you're like doing photography or freelance stuff like that. And yeah, anyway guys, I'll see you guys later. Bye.